So India won the match. Dad and Rajan returned the home, and finally Dad was smiling and Rajan was singing, Indians are the best, Indians are the best. Hey Raju, I bought a hit for you at the stadium, said his father. You know, we won by 100 runs against the Australians. Did you see the Sachin? Asked Raju. Of course, Rajan said. He made 200 runs and took two important wickets. Guess what? Near the end of the match, he fell while trying to catch a ball. I hope he's not badly hurt, Raju said. So, you did not get his autograph? No, sorry. I will try next time, said Rajan. So, here we can understand that father has brought a hit for Raju from the stadium, and his father was telling him that we won the match by 100 runs against the Australians, and Sachin has asked and Raju has asked, did you see Sachin? Then Rajan said, yes, we have seen Sachin. He has made 200 runs and he has taken two important wickets also. Then finally what has happened, at the end of the match, nearby the end of the match, our Sachin has fallen down while trying to catch the ball and he get hurt. So finally Raju asked that, so have you brought Sachin's autograph? Then Rajan said, no, sorry, I will try next time. The next day, it was front page news that Sachin had injured his arm. He was to be out of the game for the next 2 weeks. So here, and at the next day, the news has came that Sachin has got injured in his arm, so that is why he cannot play for 2 weeks. 2 weeks later, Rajan had to go to the hospital for checkup. The doctor want to see his leg and put a new plaster on it. Rajan sat with his mother in the waiting room. So after 2 weeks later, Rajan has to go to the hospital for checkup, and doctor want to see his leg and he want to put a new plaster on the leg of Rajan. Raju and his mother were in a waiting room. Raju, your turn please, said the nurse. Raju went into the little room. The doctor examined his leg and he said it was healing beautifully. Then the nurse put a fresh plaster around his leg. His mother took back to the waiting room and sat with him waiting for the bill. So finally, doctor has checked his leg and he was telling that you are healing well beautifully. Then nurse has put a new plaster and his mother has took him back to the waiting room, and they sat there and they were waiting for the bills. 2 more weeks, Raju, then you will be able to play cricket, said the nurse. Now after 2 weeks you can also play the cricket, said nurse. So you like cricket? Said a man who was sitting behind him. Raju had not noticed him. As Raju's leg was placed on a stool in front of him, he was not able to turn and talk directly. He turned a little and said, I love cricket. It is my life. One day, I want to be a great cricketer like Sachin. So finally, in the waiting room, somebody was asked that, so you like cricket? As Sachin was sitting, he couldn't see backside, he couldn't move backside because his leg was on the stool and he did not notice who was there. Then somebody has asked that, do you love cricket? Do you like cricket? Then he said, yes, I love cricket. It is my life, it is my passion. One day I want to become a great cricketer like Sachin. The man behind him laughed and said, you admire Sachin, do you? Oh, yes, he is my hero, said Raju proudly. Next, please, said nurse. The man behind him got up and came in front of Raju. Now Raju was able to see his face. Sachin, he gasped. So here in this paragraph we can understand that still Raju has not noticed anything, but only Sachin was asking about his passion, about his liking of cricket, and Raju has said, yes, I like cricket very much, it is my life, and Sachin is my favorite cricketer. Then suddenly nurse has came and he said, next please. She said, next please, and finally when Sachin has moved from that waiting room, Raju has noticed that, oh, he is a Sachin and Sachin has talked to me. His mother and the nurse were tongue tied and did not know what to say. Sachin had come to the hospital to get his injured arm checked. Here we can understand that Sachin's mother as well Raju's mother as well as the nurse were tongue tied, means they were not speaking anything, and Sachin has came in this hospital to checkup for his injury. Raju turned to Sachin, will you give me your autograph? Otherwise my friends at school will not believe me when I tell them I meet you. So here Raju said that, will you give me your autograph please? Otherwise my friend will not believe on me that I have met Sachin. So of course I will, said Sachin. He wrote on Raju's plaster to Raju from his hero. All the best, Sachin Tendulkar. Then he chatted with Raju and his mother for a while before leaving them to see the doctor. So finally, Raju turned to Sachin and he asked to Sachin that, will you give me your autograph? Otherwise my friends will not believe me. Then Sachin said, of course, and he has written on the Sachin's plaster and all the best, he said. Then he chatted with Raju and his mother, and finally he has been leave for the doctor. Then when the plaster was removed from his leg, Raju hung it up in his room. Every morning he looks at Sachin's autograph on the plaster and only then goes to school. So here we can understand that after meeting Sachin, he has given an autograph on the Raju's plaster. When Raju's plaster has been removed, our Raju has taken up that plaster and he has hung it up on his room, and every morning while going to the school he was watching or looking Sachin's autograph on the plaster. So moral of the story is, dream on, dreams comes true. So we have to see the dream, and while seeing the dream only we can achieve the dream comes true.